Montgomery County Sheriff Chris Watkins tells me he plans to appeal the $4,000 fine. He says it took weeks to confirm Deputy Bud Phouang did indeed catch COVID while on the job.
I was deflated this week. It was not what I expected.
Sheriff Chris Watkins reeling from this letter sent by the State Department of Labor.
A cover letter and a fine for $4,000.
It's a citation he plans to appeal.
It's not reasonable.
It's one of 14 similar citations issued statewide. The state says those employers failed to report a work-related COVID death within 8 hours, which is required by law.
His death caught us obviously by surprise.
Deputy Bud Phouang died from the virus in March 2020, just weeks after the pandemic began. He was a beloved school resource officer in Montgomery County.
It was the saddest day of my career. And he got down on a kid's level. And so he was well liked. He was well liked by the children. He was well liked by the faculty and the families, the parents.
Sheriff Watkins says contact tracing took weeks. Eventually, they found Deputy Bud caught the virus at the school. He admits he did not report the death in the required time frame, but says he tried to stay in touch with the state. He wanted to make sure Phouang's family got their benefits.
I'm not just saying the Department of Labor, but I called several, and no one was in their office. Raleigh had shut down. There was pretty much a stay-at-home quarantine. And so there was not information available.
He believes the rule was unrealistic early in the pandemic and says it just adds to the pain.
I'm going to fight this.
The Department of Labor told me the division in charge of those reports never stopped taking calls during the pandemic. They couldn't say whether anyone spoke to the sheriff during that time.